S-Series Card Printer Cleaning Kit Introduction. S-Series Cleaning Kit includes 5 cleaning swab, 10 cleaning card, and 3 cleaning cloth. In addition, there is 1 piece complimentary cleaning roller in each box of ribbon. Taking S26 as an example, we will introduce the usage of each cleaning tool separately. How to install cleaning roller. Power off the card printer. Open the top cover and take out the ribbon holder. Tear off the adhesive layer on the surface of the cleaning roller. Hold both ends of the cleaning roller. Gently push it to the installation position. Put the ribbon back into the printer. Close the cover. Friendly reminder, please replace the cleaning roller after running out of each ribbon. How to clean print head with cleaning swab. We will show you how to clean the print head with the cleaning swab. Turn off the card printer. Make sure the card printer is powered off. Take out the cleaning swab from the accessory box. Open the card printer cover. Use the cleaning swab to wipe the print head in one direction. It is generally recommended to wipe it for 3 to 5 times. How to clean the card moving path with cleaning card. Method 1. Clean the card moving path by the card printer driver. Make sure the card printer power on and keep it ready. Connect computer and select the options, devices and printers. Find the S26 card printer. Select it and right-click. Select Printing Preferences. Click the cleaning tool in the toolbar. Follow the instructions on the computer screen. Take out ribbon from the card printer. Close the cover. Take out the cleaning card from the accessory box. Tear off the protective film. Put the cleaning card into the card slot. Click OK, and the printer automatically performs the cleaning steps. Method 2. Clean the card moving path by the LCM control panel. Put the cleaning card into the card slot. Press the OK button once while the printer is ready. Then press the greater than button twice to find the cleaning function and press OK button. Follow the tips of LCM display. Open the top cover, press OK button once to remove ribbon and press OK button. Close the top cover. The card printer automatically performs the cleaning steps. How to clean card printer with cleaning cloth. Take out the cleaning cloth from the accessory box. Wipe the dirt on the card printer body.